guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are not following me or if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it right now, and if you have already subscribed, let's get started with the video. So I have just received my Nykaa packages and I am super excited, and so I thought of let's start with the unboxing. So this is the first thing that I have received from Nykaa, and it came in a bubble wrap package, and then it has a plastic packaging to it. I'm gonna tear it off. So this is a lipstick from Isadora Matte, and it's in the shade called Hot Coral. So I checked this shade out in Nykaa store, and I was in love with this shade because this has a peach pink color, like it's peach red, not peach pink color to it. And as soon as I saw this color, I wanted to buy it because I am a makeup addict, and if I see something which I don't have or some shade which I don't have, I have got my hands on those products. So this is the first thing that I have purchased. Now coming on to the next package. So this came in a cute black box, and it has a thank you card in it, and then this is the serum from Farsali. This is called Unicorn Essence Serum from Farsali. Well, in the makeup community, I have seen this product quite hyped about, so I wanted to try how does it feels like in the skin. So this is my Farsali Unicorn Essence Serum that I have got. Moving on to my next product. So these are the makeup brushes that I have ordered. Basically, these are the foundation brushes that I have ordered. It also came in a bubble wrap packaging, and then okay, so I really like this packaging of Nykaa Blend Pro brush. So this is a foundation brush that I have got. This is a flat foundation brush that I've got, and there's another one. This is also a foundation brush from PAC, and it came in a transparent packaging which says PAC in it. And yeah, so it again has a packaging inside it, which is nice. Okay, there's one more packaging to it. The brush feels quite soft. Let's try out the Nykaa Blend Pro brush. It has a Ziploc kind of packaging. This one also has another packaging inside. The bristles of PAC is much more softer than this one, I would suggest. But then, yeah, let's see which one works well. So the final product that has arrived has got a lot of things, a lot of products inside it. Let's unbox them as well. So starting off with, this is Nykaa Skin Potion, which is a Radiant Beauty facial oil. This is also a serum. So what I would suggest is the Farsali Unicorn Essence that I have got, and this Nykaa Skin Potion Radiant Beauty Serum are both like pre-makeup serums. So you can actually use the serum before you put on a makeup. These are not leave-in serums. If you like leave-in serums, then the best serum in the market is Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum, which has worked wonders for my skin, at least. So yeah, I would suggest that if you are looking for a leave-in serum which you can use it every day, every night before you sleep, then Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum is a must. So this has also come with a plastic packaging. I am going to unbox this as well. So this is how cute is that? This is how the box looks like. It has come in a nice. I like glass bottles as compared to plastic bottles, because of course plastic has some chemicals in it and that can be harmful to your skin. So yeah, this has arrived in a glass bottle with a dropper in it, and I am in total love with the packaging because it looks super cute. Next product that I have has arrived in this bubble packaging. Okay, it's falling down. Cool. I didn't have to unpack it. It started coming off on its own. So yeah, there's another brush that I have purchased. This is basically a contour brush, and this is from Hope Makeup. Wet n Wild. Basically, this is from Wet n Wild, and the brush looks quite cute, and the bristles are very soft. I don't know how will it work on the skin, but the bristles are quite soft. The next product that I have is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. So this is claimed as the best drugstore available concealer in the market. So I've not tried it yet. Let me try it out and give you a feedback. How does it looks on the skin? And yeah, I got it in the shade Fair, which is my skin tone. So I just hope it works out well. And then I have another concealer from LA Pro Conceal. This one is in the shade Beige, because I was not sure about the shade as I saw it online, and I purchased it online. So just fingers crossed. I just hope it blends well with my skin tone. So the next product that I have is Scent Divines Himalayan Pink Salt with White Water Lily Body Wash. This was the smallest one that was available because I am quite when it comes to body wash and face wash, I don't try taking risks soon. So I got the smaller one to check if it suits my skin or not. So if it does, then I'll go for the bigger one. And as of now, I got this one, the smaller one, and let me check out how does it smells. Okay, so I'm going to take the seal off. It smells heavenly. And then I received a few sample creams, sample hand cream and foot cream from Aroma Magic from Nykaa. The next product that I have is Nykaa Prep Me Up. This is also known as one of the best primer that is available in the market and which is very cost effective. I got this one for $499, $500, which is quite reasonable for a primer. I would link every single product down below, and I would also mention their prices below this video, so that if you want to get them or purchase it for yourself, you can just click on the link down below and go and purchase it for yourself. So now that I'm done with the haul, let's get started with the video. So I've got 2 concealers and 2 makeup brushes and 2 serums. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal one side of my face using the one concealer and one serum, and the other side of the face with another concealer and another serum, and I'm going to use 2 different brushes to blend my makeup basically, so that you can see for yourself which one works better. So let's get started. going to apply the serum, both the serum on both the side of my face. So this is the Nykaa serum. I don't know why, but my face looks a bit pink using this serum. Now I'm going to blend the first wali serum. Okay, this one also gives a pink effect to my face, or rather it's the light, I'm not sure. I think this has a more thick gel-like texture to the skin, whereas this has a more oil-like texture to the skin. Okay, moving on to the concealers. So the difference is this has a more greater coverage and this has a natural coverage to it. So the concealer which works really well is what I would suggest. And the brush, I think I am in love with this brush because it has blended this side so well I'm going to normalize it with my rest of the face.